Today's daily dose of math is an example of using the median-median method to find the equation of the regression line from the points in a table of values that goes with a scatter plot. The first step was to make sure that the points in our table are arranged in increasing order of x. Then we split the table into three smaller tables, trying to make them as close to the same size as possible. In this case, there were 13 points, so we have two tables with 4 points and one with 5. And then there is a rule that the different size table has to be the one in the middle. Then we find the median of the x's and the median of the y's for all three tables, so we're finding 6 medians. When we have an even number of points, the median is going to be the average of the two middle values. So for instance, in these 4 x values, the median is 1.5, the average of 1 and 2. This is easy to do with the x's without mistake, but watch out with the y's, because the y's have to be reordered from smallest to largest before finding your median. All of the medians have been found and have been arranged into the points m1, m2, and m3. The median of the x's becomes the x-coordinate of the point, the median of the y's becomes the y-coordinate. Now we're ready to move on to deriving the equation. First, we do the slope formula. Where do we get the points to use in the slope formula? We use m1 and m3 for that. Then we have to plug that slope and a point into the y equals ax plus b form for the straight line equation in order to solve for b, our y-intercept. What point do we use? We use a point P, which we get by finding the average, the mean, of the x-coordinates of points m1, m2, and m3, and finding the average, the mean, of the y-coordinates of the same 3 points. This gives us a point P with an x-coordinate of 13/3 and a y-coordinate of 19/3. We plug that point and the slope 7/6 that we found earlier into the straight line y equals ax plus b form, and we solve for b, the y-intercept. It is 23/18. Now we arrange our slope and our y-intercept into the y equals ax plus b form in order to give our final answer, the equation for our regression line. That is today's daily dose of math. Please like, subscribe, and share.